Nevertheless, I will bring health and healing to it. I will heal my people and will let them enjoy abundant peace and security. Jeremiah 33, verse 6.
Hey you guys, welcome back. Y'all know I just did the makeup and now I'm doing the hair review. So you guys, this is my first hair review. So whoever's here, thank you, welcome. My name is Kay. The name of my channel is The Beauty in Purpose. So if you haven't subscribed, you guys, please, you're supporting not only myself, you're supporting my cause into helping nurses. And y'all, we need it. We so desperately need it because it's just never ending. It is just never ending. So please share, like, subscribe, and comment. If you don't do those things, this channel won't move. Honestly, just being real with you guys, it will not move. Below in the description box, I'll tell you what products I use. Also, I have my PayPal. You guys, if you can donate $1, that is okay. 50 cents, I don't care, because the money actually goes towards my cause. And what that is, I give back to nurses. So without further ado, let's talk about this review. You guys, this is my first review. Y'all, this was not easy. You can't imagine how long this wig took me. All right, it took me several times to get it to where it is now, and I will give you the specs about this wig and then I'll tell you what I did to it. Okay, I've had the pleasure to actually purchase from this company about 2 years ago. I bought like straight Peruvian hair, and I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I am not the one to be changing my hair and this and that and the third throughout the year, especially when it's a good company. Like, it can last. I bought a straight I bought straight hair from them, and I was able to dye it. It went from black to this, almost this kind of color and highlights, and I had it for an entire year. And for those that know me, yeah, she can make her wigs or her hair last. Hair that I have, actually this is a wig. I didn't actually make this wig. It's it was already pre-made. It's a lace front wig, 22 inches deep, wave, and 200%. Now, they say this is 200%. No, I'm sorry, it's not. It's not. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm not gonna do it. It is not 200%. I made this hair look like it has more hair. It's not 200%. It's like 150, to be honestly speaking, because I've dealt with wigs forever. Like, I was wearing lace wigs before they were even popular. So this is not 200% density. Yeah, this is 150. And this is a medium size cap. Yeah, that's pretty much it in regards to that. Now you're gonna see like how the hair came, and the color that I wanted the hair was 017. And the picture, of course, we all know it's not always the same, and I get it, you guys. Listen here, okay? With hair companies, you know, you gotta keep an open mind. Keep an open mind. I actually purchased this with my own money. I did not, they know nothing about me, so I'm actually doing this review based on my own coins, okay? With these companies, you see pictures. I mean, there's a lot of companies that can be frauds, and I've been doing wigs and actually doing lace fronts since 2010. Yeah, 2010. So for y'all that think, no, I was already in the game, honey. I've been doing this for quite some time. So anyways, yeah, you'll see, you deal with a lot of companies, and, you know, especially, you know, AliExpress, you know, what they do is they contact YouTubers or influencers, and they give them a certain quality of hair, and then the consumers thinking that, oh wow, I can go and get that same hair, and come to find out that's not the same quality. They give their top-notch quality to the YouTubers, and then when the consumers, you know, the viewers go and spend their own coins, they quickly realize that nah, one company, I really don't want to say, but I spent so much money on that hair. That is the most expensive hair I spent money on. Never again. I don't care. Never again. They'll never see my money ever again. So anyways, you can always expect that the hair is going to be top notch. The picture of what I saw, remember, these units, when they're colored, they're custom made. So which means, I mean, it's not its natural color. So it's not gonna really look like the picture always every time. But if y'all see the picture that was on there and for the color, you will be shocked. You will be shocked, because absolutely not. There was nothing close to that color. But you know what? I will say, Wiggins, I will say, I did a lot of dyeing, like going back, trial and error, like going back, and it still looks like this. You guys, I probably bleached this hair at least 4 times because I would go in, bleach the hair, then I would look at and see some mistakes, you know, in the hair, and then I would put color, and then I put too much color, and it would have covered the highlighted parts. I was going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. See, I'm a pro. I'm an OG when it comes to taking care of hair. So if you're new to wearing wigs, especially curly hair, you may not want to dye the hair and try to take care of it, because it's a lot of work and you need to learn how to maintain. There is shedding, not gonna lie, but that's because of the constant bleaching. Any type of hair, when you excessively bleach the hair, expect for shedding, because bleaching strips the hair, okay? It strips the hair of moisture, it makes it brittle, therefore it breaks. So expect that. But y'all see how this hair looks after everything I've done? I spent literally altogether probably 5 days or so trying to fix, and I thought it was a lost cause. Honestly, this I thought was a lost cause. Actually this morning, because I was just, you know, I was trying to put it on, and I was like, oh, there goes my money, just went to waste. But you know what? Nah, this is freaking amazing. I love how this hair turned out. But I'm really impressed on the fact that this hair went through so much with me, and yet it can still look like this. Also, it depends on the products that you use in the hair too. Like I said, I'm an OG. I know what to use, you know. I know what products to use, what products not to use, trial and error. So you guys, if you need assistance, I will assist you. Ow. Ow. So if you look at the bottom, it's dark brown. This hair was really a black or black brown, and I literally could count. There was like, you'll see later on the video, I can count the parts that were highlighted. Like, I think there was like 4 areas that was highlighted. But you guys, if you're interested, they also have other hair. I can honestly say, oh my gosh, they're Peruvian. Ooh, yeah, that's where I get my hair. Yeah, that's yeah, Wiggins, I rock with you. I rock with you. It did not come pre-plucked, so I had to pluck it myself. Y'all, if y'all just knew the work I had to put in this hair. But it was so worth it, and I enjoy it. Do I want to do it like this often? No, I don't. It's just too much work. But now I know. Honestly, now I know this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is gonna be a short video. You'll see how the hair looked, the process, and how I ended up getting this beautiful look. And if you guys are just seeing this video, if you're new to my channel, y'all see this makeup look too? So this is 2-in-1. You can actually go and actually see how I created this soft glam look. Yo, don't mind me, I'm silly. I have to put smiles on your faces, and why not, right? Why not? Everybody's so serious these days. It's just too serious, and I get it. I get why we need to be serious, but I still want to put smiles on your faces, you know, especially if you're having a long day or a long week. Yeah, let's get some smiles on our faces, okay? Okay, so So I am done, and we can go see how I created this amazing look with Wiggins hair.